Hello guys, welcome to Huawei app overpass. In this video and in this mobile tutorial so called, we are going to share you some news about Huawei Auth Service. As you can see, why authentication is being used just to verify authentic users. Just like we have written, verify the identity of your users securely. It's like it's 3D secure. Like you will get an email first on your account, and then you will get OTP on your mobile. Okay, auth services can be used with what we say, like any app in which we have either Android, iOS, or any Flutter or React Native app. As also we can also use it with web apps, or what we say it progressive web apps. In this simple introduction, let me show you what it says. Most apps need to identify and authenticate users to tailor the app's experience for individual users. However, building such a system from scratch is difficult process. So you understand the process. You can rewrite this whole scenario, but it is difficult to rewrite and reinventing the wheel. In programming we don't do that either in any case, but so Huawei provided these auth services for its users who want to make the app development faster. So you can use in a simple email, like I said, they have provided key functions like mobile number. Your users can provide a mobile number and a password or verification code to sign into your app. Other than that, we have an email address. Your users can provide an email address and a password or verification code to sign into your app. Other than it, we have third party accounts. Your user can sign into your app using the following third party accounts. Sorry. Okay, other than that, we have all the social accounts like Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple ID, WeChat, Huawei ID. And other than that, if we don't want to expose a user in our information, then we can opt for anonymous account. And other than that, we have self-owned account. If you have built in authentication, it's for that. So this is a service which provided by Huawei App Services. We can consider it as an competitor of Firebase authentication service, which is provided by Google. Since there is a clash between Huawei and Google, so Huawei is launching every service which is provided by Firebase, so that they can compete with Google internationally on every scale. And we have a very good and long what we say documentation about it, and I have already implemented in my several apps, and you can use it as well. Okay, so we have examples here as well. We have how to implement SDK integration. Just you can check, you can download Java and Kotlin code here. Okay, I talk to you in a while. Thank you. I got a call from mom.